Hi, hello, namaste, welcome to Havilah Elsha kitchen. Today we have come up with a summer special recipe Usirikaya Pulihora or gooseberry rice. To make it more healthier, let us use brown rice for preparing it. Take a 1 glass of brown rice. So let's get started by washing the brown rice 2 to 3 times. And now cut the gooseberries as shown in the video. Now our gooseberries are ready. Take coriander leaves, 2 green chilies, salt, add them in mixie jar including gooseberries, and make a fine paste. Now our paste is ready. On the other hand, we are cooking brown rice. As it takes more time to cook brown rice when compared to white rice. It takes around 45 minutes to cook brown rice. I am using 24 mantra organic brown rice. Okay, now take a big kadai, add some oil. One tablespoon mustard seeds. 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. 3 red chilies. And fry them until the seeds splutter. Now add 1 tablespoon chana dal and 1 tablespoon urad dal. Fry for 2 minutes. After that, add 4 tablespoons of groundnuts. Fry for 5 to 6 minutes. Add 2 green chilies. Curry leaves. Cashew nuts. And fry until nuts become crispy. Now add half tablespoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Now you can see the brown rice is ready on the other stove. Now our nuts are crispy. Add the paste which we prepared initially. Mix well. Add salt as per your taste and then fry for 2 to 4 minutes. Add brown rice to this mixture. And mix well until they are combined well. Now transfer it to serving bowl. It looks bit sticky since we used brown rice, but the taste will be superb. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Havilah Elsha Kitchen. Thank you. Bye-bye.